Hi everybody, welcome back to Candy. We've got another gorgeous piece of Louis Vuitton to show you today. So this is the Louis Vuitton Tivoli in size PM, and I love this shape. It was released in the early 2000s, so it's got that great kind of noughties Y2K look to it. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got 5 base studs along the bottom. You can see they've got that Louis Vuitton engraved into them there. And then we have double top handles. We have a zip top closure with this Louis Vuitton zip pull here as well. So I'll open it up and show you inside. So inside we've got one flat pocket here and another flat pocket there. And you can see just in the corner, it's a little bit difficult to see on camera, but you've got the little date code just there as well. So the condition of this bag we have called the exterior good. You can see that those corners do have a little bit of wear to them. Just on each of those corners they're starting to rub a little bit on that leather trim, and there's just areas along the leather where there's a few marks here and there. See just on the back there's a couple of marks there and a couple of areas where the leather's darkened a little bit on those handles as well. But overall, that coated canvas, you can't really see any marks on that, and that shape is still lovely. It's got a lovely structured shape which is kept, which is really nice. The interior, again, we've called very good. I'll show you in there again. So there is literally just a little mark just there, but other than that the interior is in a gorgeous condition. There's another tiny little mark just on the pocket, but again really barely noticeable, you can see just there. So that is why I've called the interior very good, because it is in almost pristine condition in there. The hardware we've called good. There's a little bit more wear to the hardware. You can see just on that zip pull that gold tone has got a little bit fading to it, and on the base studs you can see a little bit of scratching and fading as well on those. So that is why we've called the hardware good. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the Louis Vuitton bag, and then we also have Louis Vuitton dust bag as well, just here. And then also coming with this bag, we've got the original receipt, just there, and the Louis Vuitton invoice as well. And then we have the product tag, as well as this really cool Louis Vuitton poster, like newspaper poster as well, which is a great little add-on to the bag. So if you wanted any exact measurements for this Tivoli, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop this bag, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Louis Vuitton on our website, uncandybagco.com. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list that you can get onto, because loads of you love Louis Vuitton, so we've got loads of you on that request list. So all you have to do is get in contact with us. Just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this. We'll pop you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in another one like it, we'll let you know, and hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly the next time. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10 and 5'4", and the handles are just big enough so that you can pop it under your shoulder like that. And again, it's got that great kind of right under the shoulder, little Y2K bag look, and along with that shape, it is just really, really cute. If you are a noughties lover like I am, it is the perfect bag for you, along with that classic LV monogram. It's just perfect. So if you wanted any more details on it, again, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that discount code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Also, while you're on our website, have a look at the How to Sell with Us page. So if if you have any beautiful pieces like this one, we would love to see what you have for us. So have a read through the process of selling with us on there. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous pieces of arm candy that we have to show you. And we'll see you later with some more arm candy.